Hi, Andy Nybo, head of derivatives here at TABB Group, talking about some options trading activity. It's that time of year again, end of year. We're starting to get a lot of calls from our clients, our research clients, the media, looking to see what kind of options trading activity we expect for 2009. Where do we look compared to last year? Surprisingly enough, we had a pretty good year in options trading to date. We're about flat year over year, 2009 versus 2008 levels. About 3.1 billion contracts traded through October. Surprisingly enough, last year at this time of year, option industry very pessimistic, the depth of the financial crisis. Industry professionals expecting 15-20% declines in trading volumes. But surprisingly, we're flat year over year, a big positive for the industry. So what happened? How come volumes didn't decline? Everybody expected hedge funds to implode. Leverage was being eliminated. Risk management was the biggest factor that the big banks and options trading firms were dealing with. Leverage was being slashed. Margins were being slashed. Hedge fund industry wasn't expected to survive in the depths of the crisis. But surprisingly enough, here we are. 1 year later, the industry is still alive and well. Again, volumes are off a little bit, about 2% through October. We expect through the end of the year that we'll see total volumes approaching 2 to 5% over what we saw last year. So about 3.6, 3.7 billion total contracts traded for the year. Going into 2010, we expect volumes to increase even more. We expect a 5 to 7% growth rate. Return to risk management practices, return to options as an asset class. From hedge funds and prop trading firms, asset managers looking to options for risk management purposes. So all in all, the industry is very healthy going into 2010. We expect to continue some of the growth we've seen over the past decade. We won't be returning to the 30% year-over-year growth levels, but next year and in the years to come, we expect to see 5-10% growth year-over-year. So the options industry has survived and is actually thriving in this environment. Thanks, Andy Nybo, head of derivatives here at TABB.